Hi and welcome to our channel. This video is recapping the 3 best train rides. All 3 were amazing and a lot of fun.
The first great train ride was to Bryson City, North Carolina, where we took the Smoky Mountain Railroad and the Nantahala Gorge route.
In order to get to the train station,
we drove about 2 hours on the tail of the Dragon Road through the Smoky Mountains. It was literally this curvy for 2 hours. There were many car and motorcycle clubs, including a ton of Mini Coopers, racing and taking photos. It was so scary for Carol, but beautiful at the same time.
Here's some pictures of the Smoky Mountains. Much better in person. You just won't believe your eyes. Just gorgeous.
All aboard! We love the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad. It was a 4-hour excursion with a layover in Gulfport. It was about a 32-mile trip, and we shared a bottle of wine. The Appalachian Trail was neat, and the Tuckasegee River was beautiful.
These guys were taking a break from the Appalachian Trail and were very interesting to talk to.
Train along on down the line. Please take me far away. Now I feel the wind blow outside my door, leaving my woman at home.
Another memorable train ride was the Cafe Lafayette dinner train we took in New Hampshire. This train is located in the scenic White Mountains in North Woodstock, New Hampshire. It was a 2-hour train ride on a restored 1950s vintage rail car.
This was such a delicious 5-course meal and one we can never forget.
Our third best train ride was the Sky Railway Adventure Train in Santa Fe, New Mexico. This was a wine tasting event with lots of fun and friendly fellow passengers. There we go. Hello there. How's everybody doing out there, huh? Well, we're on the Santa Fe Rail Wine Train. Wine train.
It's called Sky something.
Sky Railroad.
Yeah,
Sky Railroad.
We absolutely love this area. There is so much to do and explore in the Albuquerque and Santa Fe areas.
Well, that concludes our 3 favorite train rides. Our next video will include our best boat and sailing adventures of 2025. Stay tuned.